My name is Conrado Hernandez Jr., currently 64 years old, and I live in Laguna Bel Air. Actually, we were trying to alamin ang mga condition ng katawan namin, and we made an annual check-up po ng kami mag-asawa. Doon sa annual check-up, kailangan ng angiogram para makita mo talaga yung condition ng katawan mo. Ang recommendation natin ni Dr. Lapuson is mag-proceed sa triple bypass. So, very accommodating sila at saka ready na sila kung anong susunod na mangyayari, anong gagawin. Actually, ang may sasuggest ko sa mga ibang tao, they have to know the condition of their body. Magagawin nila every year, magpa-annual sila para malaman kung anong condition. If they feel something wrong, malaman na kung anong concern na ano. And the doctors can suggest what they actually should undergo. Definitely may recommend ko kasi they have conducting proper service. They do it properly na ano. Saka masyadong magalang, hospitable yung mga tao rito.